This one is from the heart. Mai Vangu, sweet mother, you carried us through stormy weather. Handina mari yekutenda, but my heart says thank you forever. Mai Vangu, you never gave up, even when life was hard. You prayed for us every night. Now we stand strong because of your heart. Nichiri mudiki ndayona kusurubara, bati mangwana ni muchisimuka muchinye mwerera. Mavi yenyu agapfugama, misoji yakavanzwa, muchitinyengeterera kutira mangwana ritishandire. Sometimes pakashaikwa chikafu patafura, but love yenyu yakazara kupfura nzara. You were pain like it was nothing, but your silence was everything. Hamuna kumbondirasa, ivu ndikarasika. Hamuna kumbondinyima rudo, ivu nyika yakandiramba. Mai Vangu, sweet mother, you carried us through stormy weather. Handina mari yekutenda, but my heart says thank you forever. You chose us over your dreams, mukaisa zwiro zenyu pasi. Tichikura tisingazivi mutengo, asi mai imi mai zivazwese. Late nights, no sleep in your eyes. Early mornings, still you rise. You're my shelter, my prayer, my angel walking here. If I had 1,000 tongues, I'd still fail to say thank you. Mai Vangu, my hero, God bless you for what you do. Mai